Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Well, as you can see there, it is one of the coins from the wonderful Quokka series. It is a 1 ounce silver proof coin and it's struck by the lovely Perth Mint in Australia, of course. So let's get into this box. I do have to say I really like the box. I wonder if that is sunrise or sunset. Either way, beautiful colouring. There we have the standard Perth Mint box as well with that Perspex top there, and of course the Swan Perth Mint logo, and the design, the images from the box do carry over to the certificate. Lovely lighthouse there, and I just have to say I really do like that Quokka logo. That's super cool. So inside the booklet we have a little bit more information about the Quokka. For those of you that don't know what a Quokka is, apart from having a cool name, it is part of the wallaby family. So they do call it sort of a scrub wallaby, and it's about the size of a cat. This coin itself is a 1 ounce silver, as I mentioned. That's 49 silver, and there's 5,000 pieces of this coin. That is the second issue of this Quokka series. Very cool. There's our Perth Mint pillow there, and now here is the coin itself. So straight away you can see that wonderful colouring there. We've got the word Quokka at the top, because of course it is the Quokka coin. And here on the face of the coin we've got a mama Quokka and a baby Quokka. Seriously, I didn't think it could get cuter than a standard Quokka, and then you see the baby and it's like, oh, this is so cute. So sweet, these little creatures. And for anyone that's seen them in real life or on the internet or anything, they really do have an adorable face. Speaking of adorable faces, of course, here is Queen Elizabeth II, because it is an Australian coin. Let's get into this capsule now. One moment. There we go. And here, oh, check it out. Now, of course, it's a product from the Perth Mint, so you do have a certain level of quality when it comes to this coin. You've got that wonderful mirror finish there. The colouring is spot on, I have to say. Especially when you have seen these animals in person or online, you can see that the colour from the fur, they've done such a good job. And the other side as well, of course, the detail there in Queen Elizabeth II. We can see there it does have a face value of $1, and of course it's struck in 2022. Lovely rim on the coin and edge there, and we've got some native flowers around the Quokkas there, some butterflies, and if you just look in the bottom left hand side of the coin, you can see there is a wonderful blue tongue lizard, I believe. And of course you've got the P from the Perth Mint there. Very cool. So it is a Perth Mint product. Something else I want to show you, don't go anywhere. Here we go, bonus. This is the coin from 2021, and of course it doesn't have any colouring, but I just wanted to show you side by side and compare them, because I think it's quite interesting. This one's the reverse proof, and of course once again it's the mama and baby Quokka there. You've got all of the same details there, but just the finishes are slightly different, and I think it's really interesting to see them side by side. Of course they are both 1 ounce silver, 49 silver of course, but it's just really interesting to see how they've done the different designs there, and even on the Queen side as well. Just interesting, the contrast and the differences between the two pieces. Very, very cool. And if you are interested in the Quokka series, this is the second issue in the series. That's the motif with the mother and the baby. But if you're interested in this particular coin, do check out EMK's website. That's www.emk.com.